Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print PayPal invoices. If you need a copy of an invoice for your records, for accounting, or to share with someone offline, PayPal gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. Having a printed or saved invoice can be useful for bookkeeping, tax preparation, expense tracking, client documentation, or simply keeping an organized record of your transactions. You can either print the invoice directly from your browser or download it as a PDF first and save it to your device. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can choose the option that works best for you. Whether you need a hard copy right away or prefer to store a digital version for future reference, you'll be able to complete the process in just a few minutes. To get started, go to your invoice section in PayPal. One easy way to reach it is by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your account. This will open your settings area. Depending on updates to the PayPal interface, some menu names or locations may look slightly different, but the overall process remains very similar. From there, go to the Seller Tools tab and then select Invoices. This section is where you can view and manage the invoices connected to your account. You'll typically find details such as invoice status, customer information, payment amounts, and invoice dates, making it easy to locate the specific invoice you need. Once you're in the Invoices area, look through the list and select the invoice you want to print. Make sure you open the correct one before moving on, especially if you have several invoices that look similar. Taking a second to confirm the invoice details now can save time later. It's a good idea to verify information such as the customer name, invoice number, amount, and date before printing or saving the document. After selecting the invoice, click More Actions. This menu gives you additional options for that invoice. It's where PayPal places several useful tools that allow you to manage the invoice beyond simply viewing it. Here, you'll see two useful choices depending on how you want to handle the printout. Each option serves a slightly different purpose, so you can choose the one that best matches your workflow. If you want to print right away, select Print. This usually opens your browser's print window, where you can choose your printer, adjust print settings like paper size or layout, and then send it to the printer immediately. You may also have options such as selecting color or black and white printing, choosing portrait or landscape orientation, or deciding how many copies to print. This is the fastest option if you already have a printer connected and just need a physical copy. If you'd rather save the invoice first, click Download PDF. This downloads the invoice as a PDF file to your device. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it and print it whenever you want. This option is especially helpful if you want to keep a digital backup, email the file later, or print it from a different computer. Many users prefer saving PDFs because they preserve the invoice formatting and can be stored securely in cloud storage, on a hard drive, or within an accounting system for easy access later. And that's all there is to it. Just open the invoice through the Seller Tools and Invoices section, choose the invoice you need, click More Actions, and then either print it directly or download the PDF. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need additional copies. Both methods are straightforward, and the best one depends on whether you want an instant print or a saved copy for later use. If you regularly work with invoices, keeping PDF copies can help you stay organized while still giving you the option to print them whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you print your PayPal invoice quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider checking out our other step-by-step guides for more simple tips and tutorials that can help you get the most out of PayPal and other online tools.